Welcome! In today's quick guide, I'll show exactly how to disable notifications on your lock screen from the Google Chrome app. If you're tired of Chrome alerts popping up when your phone is locked, this simple setting will help you clean things up in just a few taps. Let's get started. First, open the Google Chrome app on your device. Once you're in, look at the top right corner of the screen and tap on the three dots. This will open the main menu where all your Chrome settings are located. From the menu, scroll down a bit and tap on Settings. This is where you can control everything related to your Chrome experience, including privacy and notifications. Next, find and tap on Notifications. Here, you'll see all the notification settings that Chrome uses to send alerts to your device. Now, make sure that Allow Notifications is turned on. This might sound a bit confusing, but keeping it on allows you to customize how notifications behave instead of turning them off completely. Once that's enabled, look for the section that controls notification types. You should see an option related to the lock screen. Simply uncheck or disable the lock screen option. This step prevents Chrome notifications from appearing when your phone is locked.